Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a biometric vault access system works step by step. First, an authorized person approaches the vault access terminal to begin the entry process. Then, the user enters an ID, PIN, card, or access request so the system can start the verification procedure. Next, the biometric scan begins. At this stage, the system captures fingerprint, iris, face, or palm data by using a biometric scanner. After that, the scanner collects these unique biological features and compares them with the stored records of authorized users in the system database. Then, the control unit performs identity verification. In other words, it checks whether the captured biometric information matches a valid user profile and whether that person has permission to access the vault. If the data matches correctly, access is approved. On the other hand, if the biometric information does not match or the person does not have permission, access is denied, and in some cases the system may trigger an alert for security purposes. Once access is approved, the vault lock release process begins. At this point, the electronic lock and bolt mechanism are activated, and the system unlocks the vault for a limited time so the authorized person can enter. Finally, the vault door opens and the system records the access event. It saves important details such as the user ID, date, time, and access status, which helps create a secure audit trail for accountability and compliance. So, in simple words, a biometric vault access system works by identifying the user through biometric data, comparing it with stored authorized records, approving or denying access, unlocking the vault when verification is successful, and recording every entry event for security. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.